Like every business, I found myself in the following situation. There are tons of things that I'm doing manually, really wasting my time that I can simply automate. I decided to give myself a 5-day challenge to see what workflows I can automate within our current system. This next series of 5 videos will show you each day what I automated within our workflow. It's never too late to get started to automate your business. I'd love to have you join me in this challenge and let me know in the comments below what you decided to automate.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a certified Monday.com partner and the founder of Simpleday. My goal is to help you build powerful yet simple workflows with Monday.com. If you need help with a custom implementation, my contact details are in the description below. Let's jump into today's tutorial and make Monday the best part of your week.
Today's automation in my automation challenge is actually just one step of a larger process of integrating 2 different tools that I'm using. I'm using Monday.com to track all of my leads and my potential deals, but I'm actually sending out proposals to those people in a tool called Anchor. Anchor is an amazing tool, and I have a link below that allows you to send out proposals. But more than that, you can actually bill the clients directly through that tool. You can update contracts really easily, and you basically have automated billing. So it saves me tons and tons of times. I recommend you checking it out on a separate note, nothing to do with this video. Now, what happens is that if I need to send out a proposal from within Anchor, Anchor obviously needs the name of the person that I'm sending it to, the email address, and the company name for the proposal. I used to manually have to enter in all of this information, and I'm going to show you how I did it. And now that I set up a make scenario, the contact information is automatically added to Anchor. So let me show you what I used to do. If you see here, on my CRM deals board, I have the name of an active deal, the company, and the email. Okay. So I have these 3 pieces of data that I need to have entered in Anchor. So this is what I would do. And then I would open up my Anchor proposal. And here you see I need to enter the contact. So I would click new contact and I would add their name. I also had to do it separately because it was last name, first name. Okay. And then now I would have to go back because now I need the company name. So again, I would go back. I would copy the company name and then I would enter it here. Then I would need the email address. So again, I would go back to my CRM. I would copy the email address and then go back to Anchor and enter it. And this would create a contact within Anchor. I'm not going to create it because I want to show you now how I automated it. But once I create that, then I can start filling in the rest of my proposal. And we're going to head back to the Monday CRM. This is what I did. We have a make scenario that says, whenever status changes to send proposal, it's going to automatically send this information to Anchor. So watch what happens. I'm going to hit send proposal. I'm back in Anchor, and now I'm going to search for Jesse. And you can see that Jesse's here. All of the information is automatically here. If I want to hit edit, see it automatically brought in the first name, last name, company name, and email address. So instead of having to go back and forth 3 times, or really 4 because it's first name, last name, company, and email, I just change the status to send proposal, and it automatically sends the contact information from Monday.com to Anchor. So that way I can add it to my proposal. Pretty cool, right? Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.